Okay, for some reason at the start of this I decided not to talk, but this is the beast that I ride, GS850 triple black, absolute weapon. Sorry, I had to throw that in, but I love this bike. But we are preparing to go on a tour to the south of France, hopefully as far as Monaco. We'll see, but this is what we're fitting today in preparation for the panniers. There's cheap AliExpress copies, but they're a good price and they look the part. So this is me getting ready. After this I'll jump off the voiceover, but yeah, this is basically just a video putting these together, ready for the panniers. Hopefully better quality to come. This is all filmed on a mobile phone. Kit comes with these shims, which you need to put in when you put the other side of the bar in, because otherwise it'll be misspaced. By the way, it's just me and the little one today, so he decided to come out and join me. So he'd finished his lunch, so apologies, because he's only 4 and he don't stop talking. I know. Very loud.
What are you doing?
Okay, let's go back and get that dinner, for fuck's sake. I can't remember that being so tight. I think these bolts could do with some anti-seize, because they've not been in long and they were solid. For some reason it gives you some shit bolts. They're slightly longer. I want to try and use the BMW ones, because they're just going to go rusty anything, wouldn't they?
Daddy,
You see?
I've got my jumper on. Look, no, I did it all myself.
Well done. What about your glasses?
I'm going to get them. Where did I put them? Let them in fun.
It's alright, didn't drop it.
What did you put in? Are you put on the floor? Are you putting on your bike now?
Yep.
Daddy, Dad, guess what you can put there?
You put there.
Now guess.
I don't know, what can I put there?
You can put like, so Dad, you can go there, and a baby seat can go there.
And then you can go on it.
Yeah, but Dad, you need like something to be behind you, and something next to you, or you'll fall off. So you have to have like handles.
Yeah.
So you need some like something for someone to hold on out the back. It needs someone to hold on like this. It needs someone to hold on to something.
Smart thinking, that is.
Yeah. So don't forget to hang. So Dad, that's pretty loud, isn't it? Dad, what do you call that? Daddy, what do you call this when you use it? Daddy, look. What do you call this?
A ratchet.
What is that called? And then does it spin? You spin or stuff.
Yeah.
You make me a circle. You can see I like it. Then do it forever. Okay. What is that? And then I use
Right, then, yeah, come on out of the way. Right, so they are pretty tight. Probably shouldn't have done it that tight. Because I've got the back bar on yet. But I'll figure that out in a minute. If I have to loosen it up. Oh. I'll have to loosen it up. BMW ones fit, so I'm going to go with them because I think the cheapy ones will rust. Chinesian ones.
Are you on this side? On this side?
Yep.
Hey, and then this Penny. What do you call this one? They're pretty cold, aren't they? When you hold it, they're like cold.
They are cold.
Yeah, they're actually cold. You need some gloves to hold cold things, don't you? Oh, gosh, you get that? Dad, sorry, it didn't break. I'm not breaking up it. I'm putting them down just gentle now.
Sorry for that horrible noise. One of the neighbours over the back decided they wanted to do some DIY as well. So yeah, it don't last for long.
They're still there, Dad.
They're still there?
Yeah. The sticks, what is it called again? We did the sticks for fireworks night. Look, Dad, I'll show you. Look,
What?
Dad. Look.
Okay, right then. Right, so we learnt a lesson, didn't we? That you definitely have to have this all loose. Even that's still a bit too tight, but that definitely has to be loose when you put this bar on, because you won't get it on otherwise. And for some reason I thought that the angled bar would be on the side of the exhaust, but apparently not,
Daddy, put it on
because it will not angle on the other way
Daddy,
around.
didn't put it on there. Then
Stop talking. Can you stop talking and stop touching the camera?
Oh, that's because I'm ready.
Right. So yeah, so I'm going to tighten this all up.
Take it off. Oh, go.
Right, so I've got them on in the end. They fit alright, to be fair. Solid, ain't going nowhere. So definitely do what other people have said and keep all these bolts loose when you're doing it, because you won't get this bar on, which kind of makes sense now, but I thought it went the other way around. I put the slant one on that side, but it doesn't. Yeah, they look good. Same colour as the original bars. Same sort of thickness. Same sort of welds. These look cheap. It's the same. It's the same. But yeah, so she's ready for some actual panniers now. And a bit of extra protection as well. It's quite rugged with them on. Gosh. Right, I'll try and edit it. because this is done on the fucking mobile at the moment, but yes, some footage soon, and yeah, getting her ready for her first tour. Hey, do a video once I've got the panniers through, once I know what ones I'm going for. I want the ones that slot on here and they like clamp on, but trying to find a pair that are reasonably priced. The price you pay for them, you also buy a fucking set of Aerios. So yeah, and the cheap Chinese ones are just shit, they're horrible. And you've got to have another bracket to go onto this to fit them. It's ridiculous. So watch this space.